In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the epic panel on the Jira Backlog. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your epics, how to review them, and the quickest ways to link work to them so you can track progress with confidence. Start by opening your Scrum project from the sidebar. Once you're in, head to the backlog from the left-hand menu. This is your planning hub where epics, stories, and tasks come together before they move on to the board. On the backlog view, look to the left side for the Epics panel. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden. Click Show Epic Panel or the Epics button to expand it. This panel is your command center for large initiatives. You'll see a list of all your epics such as website redesign, mobile app launch, or marketing campaign Q3. Each epic is a container for related work. Click any epic to highlight the stories and tasks tied to it in the main backlog. This quick visual cue helps you understand scope and spot any missing items. To add work to an epic, you have two options. The fastest way is to drag a story or task from the backlog and drop it onto the target epic in the panel. This instantly links the item. Alternatively, open the work item, find the epic link or parent field depending on your Jira setup, and set it to the epic's name. This is especially handy when you're already editing details or when drag and drop isn't convenient. Keep in mind that subtasks link to their parent story, not directly to an epic. Use the Epic panel to manage and track big picture progress. You can quickly see linked stories, organize backlog items under the right epic, and prioritize large projects without losing context. Watch the colors and progress bars next to each epic. They provide at-a-glance tracking, showing how much work is done versus what remains. If you notice an epic swelling with too many items, that's a signal to split work or refine stories for better flow. When you need focus, click an epic to filter the backlog and display only its related work. This filtered view is perfect for grooming sessions, sprint planning, or when you're aligning a team around a single initiative. Click away or clear the filter to return to your full backlog. That's it. Open your project, go to backlog, show the epics panel, review and highlight, link work by drag and drop or epic link, and use colors, progress, and filters to stay on top of delivery.